Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of First Impressions. PS, this is not a sponsored video. Today I have this newly launched product by Blue Heaven, which is Strobe and Shape Contouring and Highlighting Duo Stick. This product is infused with avocado oil and mango butter, which is really good for your skin. So Blue Heaven is a brand which is very reasonable. I have tried a lot of products by Blue Heaven. Some of them I like it and some of them are okay-ish. So that's why I want to try this product and let you guys know if it's worth the buy or not. So this product is for rupees 300 and it comes in two different shades. One is Fairy Light and the other one is Magnificent Deep. The one I have is the Fairy Light because it will go with my skin tone. So this product says it has mango butter which hydrates your skin. Apricot oil, it actually helps in seamless blending. Does not clog your pores. I need that. Avocado oil, it's a great antioxidant for your skin. So these are some pretty good ingredients. Let's open the packaging and see how the product looks. Okay, such a cute packaging. Wow, this looks so pretty. It is so cute. Travel friendly. I can just put it in my pocket and go. I want to see the shades. Okay, this is the contour side. It has a very warm brownish shade. Let's see the highlighter. It's a little whitish. Let's see how it works on my skin though. Let's start with my nose. I have a pretty huge nose. I usually contour my nose to make it thin. I don't like the shade. I'm using a brush to blend it, not a blender, because it will create a mess on my nose. Not bad, not bad. Let's do the highlighter. I think it's too warm for my skin tone. It is matching my skin tone. So I need the highlighter for that pointy nose, you know. On the tip of my nose and on the bridge. I'm using a different brush, a thinner one, because we have to be very precise with it. I like it. I like the nose. I think now it's looking better. Not great, but better. Let's try the cheekbones. If you have a round face, just go upwards with your contouring, not downwards. You can see we have like your cheekbone right here. See, I told you this is like really similar to my skin tone, but still, let's see. This shade is giving me more blush kind of a feeling. It's more of a blush for me. But it is giving me that uplift effect. Do you see the difference? Snatched. This is not a shimmer highlighter, but I will try it on my cheekbones. A little bit. I don't want my cheeks to look whitish. It has the perfect pigmentation, not too shiny, but actually really nice. It is blending quite well into my skin and it is giving me that, you know, highlighter wala effect. Wow. So I'm done with my face. This is a little warm for me. It was very similar to my skin tone. I think I'll try different shades, but I will swatch these products for you so that you can see how warm the shade is. This is the contour side. This is the highlighter. I think for 300 rupees, this product works wonders. For everyday use, this is really good if you want to do a snatched look, and I would really recommend this if you're a beginner for makeup. You can use this for everyday look, but if you're going for a full coverage makeup, I don't think this will work for you. This is for more natural, to give you a soft makeup look. So I think the highlighter was a little whitish, but on my skin, as you can see, it is glowing. It is not giving me that whitish look. It completely blended into my skin and it gave me a seamless effect, as it says. So I like it. I like the highlighter. So I am a drugstore person. According to me, I will really recommend this product, specifically the contouring stick by Blue Heaven. So go get yours now. So this is it for today's video. Let me know in the comments if you have tried this product, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, like, share and subscribe to Select by Pinkfella. Bye.